Hello, my name is Bryce Abbott, and recently I went to an event where my friend brought some amazing chocolate chip muffins. After he told me that he cooked them in under 20 minutes and 4 easy steps, I was instantly hooked. Being a full-time student and a part-time employee, it's very hard to find the time in the kitchen to bake your own quality desserts that are homemade. That's why I'm so thankful that my friend introduced me to Betty Crocker. When I think of one word to describe the Betty Crocker brand, the only word that comes to mind is convenient. With the Betty Crocker Easy Bake Boxes, any individual, regardless of baking skill, can create delicious desserts within 3 easy steps. First, you just have to preheat the oven. Second, you have to mix all the ingredients consisting of the cake mix, water, oil, and egg. And then lastly, you put the cake mix in the oven for the designated time and temperature. Personally, my favorite Betty Crocker Easy Bake Box would have to be the chocolate chip muffins. I get one box every Sunday and it takes me 20 minutes to make an entire batch that will last me the entire week. They are good for morning, afternoon, or dessert. If you are ever stressed out and have limited time to bake a delicious dessert for a special event or social outing, then I suggest picking up your own box of Betty Crocker Easy Bake Mix, and you will have a delicious treat to share within 3 easy steps in 20 minutes of your time.